This dance is called Jersey Boys. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance with one we start. Starting on our right foot with some toe struts. So you're going to step your right toe forward, then lower the heel. So it should be a seamless motion. Your foot should not leave the floor at any time between those two movements. So it's toe down, heel down. You do not lift the foot. Repeat with the left foot. So step the left toe forward, lower the heel. So my foot does not lift off the ground as I lower that heel. Into a rocking chair. In a rocking chair, quite simply just imagine you are in a rocking chair and you're going to be rocking forwards and backwards. So you're going to step the right forward as you rock forward onto the right. Recover your weight back onto that left. Very important, you recover your weight back onto the pivot foot. Step the right back as you rock back onto it. Recover your weight back on the left. That is a right-footed rocking chair. So you're literally just rocking forward on the right, recover the weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover the weight on the left. So that right foot has to move from the front to the back to make it a proper rocking chair. So let's put that little set of steps together. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8. Toe strut, rocking chair. Make sure that weight is recovered back on that left foot. Now we're going to do a modified jazz box. So step forward on the right, hold. Cross the left over the right, hold. Step back on the right, hold. Step the left to the side, hold. So it's slightly different because normally with the jazz box we start by crossing the one foot over the other. And this one has also got holds in between each step. Now if you wish, you can actually click on the holds. It is optional. For those who are slightly more advanced, you also have an option of turning one of those steps into toe struts. So you could toe strut the right forward, cross strut the left over the right, toe strut the right back, and left side strut. As an absolute beginner, stick with the choreographed steps, which is what I'll be dancing. So let's just do those once more, stepping forward on the right. So step the right forward, hold, cross the left over the right, hold, step the right back, hold, step the left to the side, hold. Let's add that to the top little section. So starting off with our toe struts, right foot leading. 7, 8, toe strut, rocking chair, step, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold. Now we're going to add on a little weave. Right foot leading, so we're going to cross the right over the left. Step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the left side. Cross the left behind the right, point the right out to the right side. So that little section once more then, with that weave, crossing the right over the left. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, point, behind, point. Let's add that to the top. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, toe strut, rocking chair, step, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point. We're now going to add on a proper jazz box, but we're going to put a quarter turn in this one as well. So you're going to cross your right over the left. Step the left foot back. Turn yourself a quarter turn to the right as you step that right forward. Make sure you turn your whole body, don't just twist it. So your back foot, as in the left foot, will still retain contact with the ground, but you may find that the heel has actually raised in order for you to make that proper quarter turn. So make sure you don't twist your body. Then step the left foot beside the right. To finish the dance, we're going to do a couple of heel switches. So touch your right heel forward, step the right back beside the left. Touch the left heel forward, step the left beside the right. End of dance when you get to that bit. So let's just try that section once more then. With that jazz box, with that quarter turn in. Right foot leading. 7, 8. Cross, back, turn, close, heel, close, heel, close. Let's add it to the top, all the way through. Toe struts, half on the right. 7, 8. Toe strut, rocking chair. Step, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point. Cross, back, turn, close, heel, and. So that is your dance. The music, a little bit faster than that, but I think it'll actually help you get into the rhythm of the dance as well. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I will gradually take out that word hold in that one jazz box in that second section. But just remember, there is still that hold in there. So here we go. Toe struts, half on the right. 7, 8. Toe strut, rocking chair. Step, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point, cross, back, turn, close, heel, and. Toe strut, rocking chair. Step, hold, cross, back, hold, side. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point, cross, back, turn, close, heel, and. Toe strut, rocking chair. Step, cross, back, side. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point, cross, back, turn, close, heel, and. So that is your dance, but there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 5 after 16 counts. So it's basically halfway through the dance. After you've done that modified jazz box with all of those holds in, you start the dance again. Wall 5 is when you get back to the front wall. So let's take you up to that restart point and restart the dance. Toe struts, off on the right. 7, 8. Toe strut, rocking chair. Step, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, restart. Toe strut, rocking chair. So that's where your little restart comes in, halfway through the dance. So go all the way around the walls. When you get back to the front wall, you know you've got that restart coming. I will shout it out when we get to it. But otherwise, that's your dance, that's your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point, cross, back, circles, heel and toe strut, rocking chair, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point, cross, back, heel and toe strut, rocking chair, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point, cross, back, turn, cross, heel and toe strut, rocking chair, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, behind, point, cross, back, turn, cross, heel and toe struts. Should we start all? Jazz, step, cross, back, side. Restart. Toe strut. Jazz. Weave. Jazz. Toe strut. Jazz. Weave. Jazz. Toe struts. Jazz. Weave. Jazz. Toe struts. Jazz. Weave. Jazz. Hope you managed that one.